Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 14 from Madani Qaida. Today we will learn Iqlab. What is Iqlab? How do we pronounce Iqlab in an Arabic accent? We will learn in this lesson. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson we will learn what is the iqlab, what is noon sakin, what is tanween, what is gunna or nasalization, what is the length or duration of gunna, how do we pronounce iqlab in an Arabic accent, or how do we perform iqlab, how do we recite iqlab in an Arabic accent. We will find all answers of these questions with example. Let's start. What is the iqlab? Iqlab is the fourth rule of noon sakin and tanween. If the letter ba is present after noon sakin or tanween, then iqlab will be done. That is, change the noon sakin or tanween into a meme and do gunna, that is pronounced with nasalization. I repeat, what is the iqlab? Iqlab is the fourth rule of noon sakin and tanween. If the letter ba is present after noon sakin or tanween, then iqlab will be done. That is, change the noon sakin or tanween into a meme and do gunna, that is pronounced with nasalization. We will learn this with example in this lesson as well. What is noon sakin? The letter noon sakin can be written as like this. Any letter which has this sign is called jazm sign or sakin sign. That letter is called sakin letter. And this sign, jazm sign, will be always placed above the letter or top of the letter. Any letter which has this jazm sign or this sakin sign, that letter is called sakin letter. Here noon is sakin letter. What is tanween? Two zabar, two zer and two pesh are called tanween. I repeat, what is tanween? Two zabar, two zer and two pesh are called tanween. Two zabar and two pesh are placed above the letter or top of the letter, whereas two zer is placed below the letter or bottom of the letter. What is gunna or nasalization? Gunna means taking the sound into the nose. Gunna means taking the sound into the nose. What is the duration or length of gunna? The duration of gunna should be equal to 1 alif. The duration or length of gunna should be equal to 1 alif. How do we pronounce iqlab in an Arabic accent, or how do we recite iqlab in an Arabic accent? Let's see the example. This is the example of iqlab. Here after noon sakin there is ba letter comes. This is the example of iqlab. We change noon sakin into meme. There is small meme that denotes noon sakin will be changed into meme. How do we pronounce iqlab? We perform ghunna and we recite iqlab. We change noon sakin into meme. How we recite iqlab? Let's learn with spelling. Hamza नून ज़बर अन, बा हमज़ा ज़ेर बी अम्बी, हा मीम पेश हम, अम्बिहुम, अम्बिहुम. We change noon sakin into meme. We pronounce meme in pronunciation. We do not pronounce noon sakin. Noon sakin will be changed into meme. This is the case of iqlab. This is the example of iqlab in an Arabic accent. Ambihum, ambihum, and we perform ghunna when we pronounce iqlab. Ambihum, ambihum. This is the example of iqlab. Inshallah, in coming videos we will learn more example of iqlab. Thanks for watching. Kindly share my video and visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.